Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your Poco phone. To do it, go to the settings, then go to about phone, then find factory reset, then click on erase all data. Now it asks if you want to backup your items first, so you will probably like to backup. So if you do, then click on backup so your files will be saved into your Xiaomi cloud. But I'm gonna just click on factory reset, then wait for 10 seconds, and after the 10 seconds, after the countdown has finished, you can click on next, then wait for additional 10 seconds, and now click on OK, and then wait until your phone reboots, and after it reboots, all your data will be erased and your phone will be ready to set up again. And now you can set up your phone. My PIN card has a pin, my SIM card has a pin, so I'm just gonna enter it, and you can see here is the setup. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.